His part, business development and marketing executive at Synergy, Sergei Gasparian, also stressed the critical role of digital solution in boosting domestic revenue mobilization.
Ethiopia would be fully self-sustaining country in terms of expenditures, in terms of public investment, capital expenditure, social protection programs, etc. That's a very long road, but I feel after different connections and interactions that I had with Ethiopian people and colleagues, that's a journey that the government is focused on, and in the long run it would become a reality.
According to him, building trust is key to effective resource utilization and public confidence, trust and transparency among government institutions, international financial organizations, and citizens. Prioritizing efficiency alongside fairness is important, the marketing executive underscored. He finally stressed his confidence in Ethiopia's potential for remarkable progress through trust and collaboration, solidifying its continental leadership.